Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode, as you can see, right, I'm right inside my car, okay, and the main thing, the first thing that captures our attention, I think should be the steering wheel. Right, so for today's episode, okay, for those of you who have seen the title, is adding the M Sport steering wheel. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Okay, it is much smaller and much sleeker than the old one. Yep, and I got this with the airbag as well. Yep, so this is how it looks like. Okay, and it has pedal shifts as well. Okay, it actually comes with pedal shifts. Okay, mine does not come with pedal shifts. Okay, so I think there'll be some coding involved, okay, to get the car to work and the pedals to work. Alright, so without further ado, we're going to start this video. Alright, so for those of you who are new, right, and if you haven't subscribed guys, please subscribe. Okay, I actually checked the analytics. I think there's a good 97-98% of you guys are not subscribed yet. Okay, please subscribe, okay, so that we can actually bring you more content, right, on the F10, on the N52 engine. Right, so without further ado, we're going to show you how it's done. Right, so let's go. So guys, that's the end of the whole DIY. Okay, it actually took me just, I think barely less than an hour, right? But the thing is, okay, I couldn't get the pedal shifts to work. Right, I actually checked online. Okay, I actually, went through a lot of forums and all this, right? A lot of guys, okay, was just saying like, there's no hardware needed. Okay, just put it in and you just code it. Right, so what I did was, okay, I put it in. Okay, I changed the FA, right, and I VO coded in 2TB instead of 205, right, and the pedals still don't work. Okay, and one thing that I realized is when I plug it in just now, right, there was one wire for the pedal shifters, okay, that's connecting to the steering column, right, and there's no pins from the steering column, okay, to communicate with the pins from the pedals. Yep, so I guess, okay, that should be the thing, okay, that is stopping, the pedals from working, right? But still good news, okay, because we actually got the gear sport shift or something, right? And I feel, I don't know, is it psychologically, okay, but the car seems faster. I mean, for those of you out there who have done the 205 to 2TB coding, right? I'm not sure if I'm the only one who feels it. Okay, the car feels more responsive. You know, when I floor it, you know, it is more instant, and you know, there's not much of a delay. Right, so guys, for those of you who have information on how to get the pedals work, guys, please drop in the comments down below, because I need help. My pedals are not working, okay, but for now, okay, I'll be putting them on, okay, because you know the feel of the steering, right? I mean, it feels so much better than the old one, okay, which is very dated already, and this one looks so much better. You know, it looks so new and so, you know, I mean, it is very nice lah. Yeah. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please smash the like button, guys, okay, and drop in the comment, how do I fix the pedals? Alright, so see ya. Stay safe, stay healthy. Happy boarding your car. Alright, so guys, we have pedals. Let me show you. This is normal driving. Okay, as and when you want to shift. Okay, check out the D. Oh, it's a little bright. Okay, check out the D. Gear 5, Gear 4, Gear 3. Yes, we have pedals. Finally. Yeah. And guys, okay, the bonus, okay, for this mod, okay, is when I did the transmission, right, I actually add in the 2TB, okay, from the 205, which is the smart transmission. Okay, as you can see, S1, this is the smart transmission, and the reaction is, I would say, it's faster than normal. Yeah, but when I switch gears, right, it will be in manual. Yeah, it won't be in the sports.